morning, everyone. In the world of mechatronics, we often talk about closed loop systems. Today, my team and I are representing a company that closed the most difficult loop in history, launching a rocket and bringing it back to the land on a needle in the ocean. SpaceX, adjacent success story, didn't just build better rockets, they built a better business model by treating hardware as software, fast and failing early. They reduced the cost of the space travel by 90%. Let's look at how they did it. Value proportions. Our first block is why SpaceX offers three unique values. Reusability. The Falcon 9 isn't a single-use cup. It's a commercial airliner for space. Reliability. They have the highest launch in the world. Through Starlink, they provide high-speed internet to the most remote corners of the earth. It's a diverse mix of which it pays to the SpaceX customer segments.
Key activities and resources. The how is pure engineering. The key activities rapid prototyping, unlocking traditional aerospace. SpaceX build, test and blow up prototypes in weeks, not years. The key resources vertical integrations. They manufacture nearly 85% of rocket parts in-house for control cost and quality. Channels and customer relationships. SpaceX do not use dealership. The relationship with NASA are deep long-term contractual partnership. For Franklin, the channel is direct-to-consumer web portal. They have turned rocket launches into a brand experience by live streaming everyday mission to millions of viewers. Core structure. SpaceX costs are dominated by R&D for the Starship program and massive capital required to launch thousands of Starlink satellites. However, because they are research the first stage boosters, their marginal cost per launch in the lowest in the industry.
Good evening to all. I am Yashwant from second year MCT. Today we can talk about customer segment. Who SpaceX is a deserved mix. We can a government agents like NASA and the DOT for ISS resupply and national security. Then there are a commercial satellite farms like Telcos, and finally with the Starlink, the average consumer is a rural areas is now a SpaceX customer. Cost structure. Costs are dominated by R&D, research and development for the Starship program and the massive capital required to launch thousands of Starlink satellites. However, because the UAR is the first stage booster, the mechanical cost per launch is the lowest in the industry. Revenue stream. Money flows in from three main pipes. Launch service charging 67 million per Falcon. Starlink subscription, monthly internet fees from over 2 million users. Government grants $1 billion contrast to the Argentine moon mission. They were moving from a service company to a utility company. Thank you.